How to track TikTok shop orders. In order to track your TikTok shop order, you can view real-time update directly in the TikTok app through your profile or the shop tabs. So here's what you can do if you want to track it through the app. Launch open a TikTok app, tap the profile at the very bottom, then tap onto the menu from the top right and go to settings and privacy. Underneath, you want to go ahead and look for orders, then navigate to the sections of to receive or shipped tab to find your active deliveries. Select a specific order that you like to see its tracking number and current status, and this way you'll have successfully tracked TikTok shop orders. Likewise, you could also check your inbox for a shipping confirmation email from TikTok. These often contain a direct link to track your package or a QR code that opens the order detail in the app as well. And if you have a tracking number but want more detailed data, you can use multi-carrier service like 17 Track or Parcel app as well. So with that, you'll be able to track TikTok shop orders. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.